Renogy 100-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel, compact design 42.2x 19.6x 1.38 in, high-efficiency module PV power for battery charging boat, caravan, RV and any other off-grid applications. Reliable advanced encapsulation material with multi-layered sheet laminations enhance cell performance and provide a long service life. Durable guaranteed positive output tolerance, 0 to 3%, withstands high winds, 2,400 pascals, and snow loads, 5,400 pascals. Versatile, use it for your RV when camping or during beach trips with the family. Either way, this monocrystalline panel provides you with the most efficiency per space. Installation ready. Pre-drilled holes on the back of the panel allow for fast mounting and securing. Pre-drilled holes included for grounding. Compatible with different Renogy mounting systems such as Z-brackets, pole mounts and tilt mounts. Optimum operating current in 5.29A warranty, 25-year transferable power output warranty, 5-year material and workmanship warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.